Hey, as you hear that crunch, good. Especially if they know you're a foreigner. Man, they treat you so good. Like, so, yeah, I got a Nigerian name. So now if you see me in town, call me. Hello, my people, guys. Hmm. Omo, how wanna they do? Eh, eh, eh. Hey, hey, guys, people didn't tell me. Oh, people didn't tell me that this is how serious Nigeria looks. Hey, let's get into the video. So, hello, guys, welcome back to my channel. Asha Diamond, your most influential life pilot of this generation. Don't mind my how my nails are looking like. It's looking unkept. Don't worry, I'm going to have time to do them. Okay, so I just got back from Nigeria, and I guess by now you people should know that I went there because of the interview, and I'll be posting a video today. Yeah, yeah, today. I don't know which one I'll be posting, but I'll be posting a video today before this one. So you guys will see a video before this one, so you get to understand what I'm talking about. Okay? Yeah. So guys, to prove to you, I know this is not a proof, but this is this is the money I came back with. 1,000 naira. That's the money I came back with. So you can imagine, guys. So this is the new 1,000 naira that they did. I think by now they should be using this money because I think they were supposed to change it on Saturday, and I came back on Saturday evening. Yeah, so this is what we'll be using now. I think that 500 naira is green now. Yeah, so so guys, in today's video, before I even go into the video, guys, I will be coming to the food like later on. But is that a Nigeria jollof you guys have been boasting of? No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Ah, I went to Nigeria. I was like, oh, I want to try the Nigeria jollof. The Nigeria jollof that they be competing with us. We the Ghanaians want to try the Nigeria jollof with us. Like, why would you even compete with us, guys? The Nigerian jollof was. I'm sorry, but I know it's be me, but you guys should just admit the fact that Ghanaian jollof is the best. Nigeria, don't go there. Don't. On my point of like, from my point of view, it wasn't good. And wait a minute, is it that Nigerians don't add salt to their plain rice, or they don't add much salt? Because the plain rice that I ate, there was no salt in it. But like I said, I'll come back to the food. Okay, I'll do a video basically for the foods I ate, and we'll talk about food in that video. But today I bought some snacks that I wanted to try. I bought some drinks there. I didn't buy drinks when coming. No, the drinks I drank there, like, our drinks are better, even though like I sometimes complain that like there's a lot of sugar in our drinks, and like they add color, like, but Nigerian drinks, no, like the bottle drinks, they taste like you see when I'm drinking water how it goes. Like you see when I'm drinking drink, like at least you'll be having like some breaks, or but their drinks taste like what, Like there's sugar in it, too, but like the flow of the drink is like water. How water flows. I don't know if you guys understand. Maybe someone who has drunk their drink before will understand, but it's not compared to ours. So I got some snacks from Nigeria that I wanted to try. I've not tried this yet. When I went there, I didn't try all this. So sorry for the noise. I was trying this. I got some few because I didn't know how they would taste, and my bag was there was no space. So I'll try them one after the other. So let's try this first. Munch it. Puffs. Cheese balls. So that's how it is. Let's try them too. But guys, I have plenty juice for you for. It's smaller than ours. It tastes the same like the Ghanaian cheese balls that we know. Yeah, man. I'll look for the picture and show and put it here or here. But now, and it's plenty. I'll probably one more. Otherwise, you can count it. I'm not gonna have to say, but no, it's enough. I love it. Okay, moving on to the next now. Moving on. Oh, this is another product of it's like the same product. Munch it, but this is classic delight. Okay, and it has Davido on it. Where my Davido fans? So let's try. Okay. Oh, it looks like chips, like these flat chips. Oh, nice. It looks like there's snacks that we also have here like that. It's nice. I can't remember the snack. It's nice. I can't remember the prices. I just give it the money. And this is 100 naira. Oh, alright. It's written here, yeah, it's written 100 naira. And one thing I like about Nigerians is that if the price is 100 naira, like on the product paper or on the product, they still sell it like 100 naira. And that's good. Products, we don't have price on it because we know what we are doing. Okay, so this is also, oh, okay. The same, I told the lady to give me snacks. Like all the snacks she has, she give me one. Oh, same product. This one doesn't have David on. This two has him on it. So it looks like the other one. This one is cheesy 6. It's here. Uh-huh. Okay. It tastes like the cheese balls, but it's crunchier than the cheese balls. Yeah, that's the word. It's crunchier than the cheese balls. It's like I think I like all this doing. So next one, Katia burger. This one is Chuku's milky coconut bread burger. Burger. Peanut snacks. So this is it. That's not looking nice. That's how I want to show my fingers. Sorry. So let's open it and see. Hey. That's what it is made of. It's made for, sorry. Or is it a granite that I'm chewing it or how? I don't know about it. Mm. Mm-mm. No, no. Ah, just was my mouth. Mm. This is chop up ching ching. The the burger is not nice. The burger, I can't say burger. The peanut snack is not nice. I won't like. If it's nice, I'll tell you the truth. But this, oh, okay. So this actually looks like our chips that we sell in the rubber, like the rubbers. What's it made of? Wheat flour, vegetable oil, margarine, even agent, what? Fresh eggs, like salt, sugar, natural spices, water, nutmeg. It's okay, but maybe I can eat it, but not as much as the other snacks. But it's okay. So we have 3 more to go. Hey, I bought another peanut. I didn't realize it. This and this. So it's left with this 3 to go. Making noise, I know. I know. Hey, guys, I thought this week, like I purposely told myself that I'll be resting this week. The sleep is not coming. Okay. As you hear that crunch, it's way harder than this one. Huh? Oh, this is way nicer than this one. Oh, it's because of the milk coconut that they added to it. That's why it doesn't taste that nice. 15 naira. This tastes nicer. But it's hard. But it's nice. It's, I think it's close to the one we do here, the Nkate burger. It's very close. It tastes like almost the same. Yeah, it is good. So let's go on to the biscuits, chocolate rings, new bisco milky milk, new bisco milky milk cookies. Oh, okay, new bisco. It's okay. In fact, I've already bought. Like I've already grooved. What's the English name for ba? I say groove. Mm. The name explains the biscuit. It's milky. Uh-huh. Chocolate rings, chocolatey biscuits. Yeah, that's what it's written under. Chocolatey biscuits. Guys, I learned this online. I don't know if you guys watch Recent Fun. Like one time, they were doing this snacks something. Like a racer was like, if the top part is zigzag, you open like this. But if it's straight, like this one, like it's sealed like this, then open like that. But if it's zigzag, open like this, it's way easier. It's good to learn every day, right? Oh, okay. It looks like donut. Just like there is, it's round round. But donut is round. Oh God. Yeah, it's okay. It's chocolate. Even if you don't like chocolate, you like it. Wow. You see the biscuits? Hmm. I'll take this because it doesn't have much sugar. This one has a little bit like more of the sugar. But the taste, I'll go for this because this tastes nicer because of the milky stuff in it. This tastes nicer, but I love all the two. Okay, I'll go for the two. But the snack, okay, let's do the. Oh, that's funny. Let's do the peanuts coated snacks. Oh, wow. I'll go for this one. What does it taste like? This one. And the chin chin, I think I can do it, but it wouldn't be something I would like, you know. And for the on sale, for the Crunchit products, I will go for the cheese. Like, they all taste nice. Let me arrange it in the way I like it. So, like this. The same way I open them, the same I'm gonna like it. This is the best. After which, this and this. So, guys, those are the Nigerian snacks that I brought to Ghana. Or more, I don't carry Nigeria come Ghana. I'll be guys, I brought it in my next video. If I'm just to you guys about my experience in Nigeria, I'll try and title it, okay? But before that, I'll try and watch a video to have an idea of how it is done. Okay. So yeah. You guys should watch out for my next video because and guys, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I have a new Nigerian name. So now if you see me whether in Ghana or in Nigeria, because I'm going to Nigeria pretty soon. I love the country. They're nice people, guys. Nigerians are nice. Especially if they know you're a foreigner. Oh jeez. Hello guys. So I realized that I was just talking into the air. My phone is on silent, so my mom called and the video cut up. I didn't know because I was using the back camera. So I have to start from where I ended. But thank God it didn't stop in the middle of the trying the snacks. Thank God. Because if he had can me. So as I was saying, Nigerians are super, super sweet people. Like they are nice people, they are good. Especially if they know you're a foreigner. Man, they treat you so good. Like so yeah. I got a Nigerian name. So now if you see me in town, call me Chibusoma, which means my God is awesome and my God is beautiful. So yeah, that's the meaning of Chibusoma. When I went to Nigeria, they gave me the name. It's an Igbo name. So yeah, and I also have an Hausa name. Yes. So my next video, I'm going to gist you my Hausa name and the meaning as well. And I learned a whole lot of things. Guys, there's more story times to come up and a lot to share. So please do want to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video. Also give a thumbs up, like my videos, share, tell a friend to tell their family members, to tell their exes and everybody. Maybe their name is to watch my videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this far. I really enjoyed myself filming this video and I'm super excited. I look stressed, but not stress for you guys. Anything for you guys, and I will do. So tell me the next video to do, or if you have any video idea that you think I should do, just come just go into my DM. I'll put my Instagram name on the screen so you can see it. Come into my DM and tell me the video ideas you have for me. And see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Ciao.